Tigers, and welcome to WDES,
the official morning news for Dawson Elementary School.
Dawson Tigers are respectful,
on task,
act safely,
and they are responsible.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance to the flag, followed by the Pledge of the Georgia flag.
Ready, salute, pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I pledge allegiance to the Georgia flag and to the principles for which it stands, wisdom, justice, and moderation. Please stand for a moment of silent reflection.
Hello, Royally Roarsome Dawson Tigers. It's Dr. Sparks here, and I wanted to show our 5th graders, who will be 6th graders next year at middle school, how to open their lockers. So one of the treats, one of the perks of being in middle school is you're going to have a locker to store all your school supplies, and those lockers have a lock. Now, while this is a padlock, those lockers have this embedded, and it's the same mechanism. And so I'm going to give you a short tutorial on how to work those lockers so that you can have access. The first thing you need to do is remember the combination. Now, these lockers have a 3-digit combination, so they're going to be 3 numbers, and the trick is to go into those numbers in the right sequence. So this combination lock is 24, 14, 20. And so the first thing you're going to do is turn to the right past that first number in the combination about 3 times. I'm sure I passed 3 times. So now I'm going to stop on 24. And 24 is that little tick mark right before 25. Now to reach the second number in the combination, which we said is 14, we're going to go to the left. But when we go to the left, we're going to pass 24. We're not going to stop right at 14. And then once we pass that one time, we're going to stop at 14. And 14 is that little tick mark right before the 15. And now to reach the third number, we're going to go back to our right, but we're going to go directly to 20, that third number in the combination. We don't have to pass anything. We're going to stop at 20. And if I've done this correctly, the lock should open. Voila, it worked. And so I'm wishing all of you the very best at middle school. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, I'm sure there'll be somebody there to help you. Thank you and stay safe.
Hello, Dawson Tigers. Today we're going to be making some cloud dough, and I've got my helpers with me today. I've got Eva. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
And I've got Lizzie. Say hi.
Hi.
And we're going to be using cornstarch and conditioner, which are super cheap. And we're going to be using some food coloring. So the first thing we're going to do is we need 1 part of conditioner. However much you're going to use, we're going to use 1 cup. And we're going to use 2 parts of cornstarch, which you can buy from Walmart or the Dollar Tree, and it only costs like $1. So who's going to help me with the conditioner? Eva, you going to help me with the conditioner? All right. You got to use your muscles and squeeze it.
Okay.
Squeeze it into the cup. Oh, that's okay.
You want me to get a paper towel?
Go get another cup. Look, go get another cup.
Okay.
Lizzie, go get another cup.
Okay.
Squeeze it all the way to the top. Good job. What does it smell like?
Smell. It's really good.
It smells good?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to put this in the bowl.
Okay.
Put it in the bowl. You ready? Alright, since our conditioner is already kind of bluish green, you can use any color you want to, but we're going to use green dye. So, nope, I'm going to use this because it will stain. So I'm just going to add a few little drops in there. Alright, now Lizzie is going to get to do the kind of messy part and do the cornstarch. Now we need 2 parts of cornstarch. Lizzie's going to do the cornstarch. Nope, Lizzie's turn.
My turn.
It may make a mess. It's okay. We'll clean it up. Here, let me shake it a little bit for you. Bless you.
Cover your nose.
Alright, dump it in. There's 1 part. Put it on the table. And 2 parts. So there's a little bit left in the can because we may need to add some more. Now we're ready to stir. So wait, let Lizzie stir first.
Okay.
And let's see what it looks like when we start to stir. You will see the color start to mix up.
I want color.
Okay, well, hold on just a second. Okay, it's starting to turn into something. It's getting that pretty green. Okay, Eva, your turn.
Oops.
That's okay. Big stir. Do a big stir. It's getting nice and clumpy. It's going to make cloud dough, kind of like Play-Doh. It's going to be a little bit sticky, so I think we might need to add a little bit more cornstarch. If it's a little bit too sticky, we need to add more cornstarch. So take your spoons out. I'll do the dirty work. Sure, why not? Sometimes you gotta get in there and get messy. And it's kind of slimy. It's kind of a mixture between slime and Play-Doh. If you ever made slime before with glue, it's kind of like that, slime and Play-Doh. What do you think, Lizzie?
Play-Doh.
You think it's like what?
Play-Doh.
Like Play-Doh?
It's okay.
It's okay?
It's a mess.
It's a mess? I think it's fun.
Slime.
You think it's slime, Eva?
It's soft.
It smells so good too. I'll add a little bit more cornstarch. Now you can save this, but you have to put it in a container with a lid or in a Ziploc bag. But it saves for a few days, just like you would if you made slime. But it's way cheaper than slime.
I can poke holes in it.
And it's really fun to make. I think we might make it a different color tomorrow. What do you think?
Pink,
What color?
Pink, pink. Pink.
Pink.
A rainbow.
A rainbow. All right, Dawson Tigers, we miss you. Can't wait to see you guys. Hope you guys are staying safe. And hope you guys are doing your work. I see you guys on Achieve and I Excel. And Lexia, you guys are doing awesome. Keep up the good work. And Miss A can't wait to see you guys. Bye-bye.